What would be the first thing you do if rules have been removed from the university for one day?
Rules are important. They bind community, and it will be the barbaric and it will be to barbaric serve our community. I will still respect the I will still respect the rules. Even there is no rules I will let my attitudes and efforts for others. I will always give a big smile and hands for others.